Modern but comfortable, private but approachable, vibrant but tranquil. Welcome to 2145 Burr Street. We like to call it Serenity on Burr. It's unassuming from the outside, simple elegance, but when you walk in, you will be wowed by the tremendous design elements in this home, and then be even more wowed when you go outside to the pool and deck area. The designer of this home is an artist, and you will feel his creative energy in every single room. What we were trying to capture here was an open floor plan that really is compartmentalized so that you have separate spaces for entertaining, but the flow is tremendous. The first floor master offers tremendous views, vaulted ceilings, amazing design, and just serenity at its finest. After a long day, I can't think of a better place to just relax and unwind. Home office? Check. With one level living, what's great, if this is for a downsizer, you do have 3 options for bedrooms on the main level, but this is a perfect serenity room. Come on upstairs because you'll find 2 great sized bedrooms joined by a fabulous Jack and Jill bath, perfect for the kids or grandkids. We really tried to bring something special to each room, whether it's lighting, design, symmetry. Every room has something unique. So although so many people love one level living, there's something so special about having a lower level finished with a kitchenette area, full bathroom, and tremendous space to offer so many options. And we really wanted to bring the outdoors inside with the really unique skylights and the fabulous glass doors. The grounds are a complete surprise because you open up to this amazing 3-tier deck, which offers a cozy experience for entertaining, but just so much more to offer between the pool and the privacy and the mature trees and the huge yard to the side. Usually cozy doesn't match with breathtaking, but in this case, they blend perfectly. So there's a tremendous amount of space, but it really wasn't built around square footage. It was built for someone who wants to embrace a distinctive lifestyle. This home is a unique, extraordinary, one-of-a-kind home, and it's going to be the perfect fit for the right buyer. If you're looking for something unique, breathtaking grounds, artistic, creative, I can't wait to show you Serenity on Burr.